Assalamualaikum my dear students. As you know that in the last video we have seen that Guru and disciple had planned over there how to rescue himself, how to rescue, how to save the disciple over there, and what plan he had done, as we know that because he just took that king in one of the corner and said what is the mystery behind it. What was the mystery? As we know that who will go first on this stage, जिसको फर्स्ट फांसी मिलेगी वो नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर का किंग बनेगा या किंग नहीं। तो ये बात कि गुरु ने किसको बताई? किंग को बताई। अब किंग ऑल्सो हैड डन मीटिंग ओवर देयर विद हिज मिनिस्टर। ही सेड दैट दिस इज द मिस्ट्री behind it, why did Guru want to die himself over there and why after him his disciple. So he said this matter, whatever Guru said and told to the king, king also discussed these things with his ministers, right? So here students, after discussion what happened, what the planning of the king, because king never had planned over there, he whatever another person or normal human being or high authority was telling him, he was accepted very easily. And the first till the last lesson we have seen, in the beginning of the lesson and at the end of the lesson, still king was never become very smart, or we can say he is still very foolish. He accepted the matter whatever another person telling to him. See, so Guru was also, we can say, a known person for that king. King do not know really he is a saint or not, but whatever the Guru said to him, he accepted very easily. He discussed with his minister, because ministers also obeyed and followed the instruction whatever king said to them. See, now what happened? We'll see here. So ministers also agreed. So he told the executioners, we will send the criminals tonight. When the first man comes to you, put him to death first. Then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake. Now, next day, king called the executioners. जो फांसी देता है ना जो पर्सन, उसको वहाँ पे बुलाया गया. He also had planned over there because he thought that मैं ही पहले जाऊँ तो मैं ही नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का किंग बनूँ. तो उन्होंने स्ट्रिक्टली ऑर्डर किया किसको? एक्सक्यूजर्स को, जो फांसी देता है वो पर्सन को, कि जो भी पर्सन तेरी जगह पर ये रात को जो भी फर्स्ट आए तुझे उसको फांसी दे देनी है. तुझे देखना नहीं है कि कौन है ये, बट दैट व्हाट whoever person came here first in this night, you have to give them step. So he said to the executors, who will become second, you have to give him second time, right? So here जो पहले आता है उसको तुझे फांसी देनी ही है, मिस्टेक मत करना. फिर वो स्ट्रिक्टली ऑर्डर देता है किसको? एक्सिक्यूशंस को. That night the king and his minister went secretly to the prison, released the Guru and disciple, distinguished themselves as the two, and as arranged beforehand, and loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed. Now see students what happened here. King ने भी यहाँ पे प्लानिंग बनाई है, मैं ही पहले जाऊँगा और बाद में मेरे मिनिस्टर्स. So that night he ordered that person, executor को, जो पहले आएगा उसको तुझे फांसी दे देनी है. He said this to the executors. That night, executors. That night the king and his minister went secretly to the prison. अब वही रात को राजा और जो उसके मिनिस्टर्स हैं सीक्रेटली वो प्रिजन में, जेल में जाते हैं, क्योंकि फांसी चाहिए और उनको ही नेक्स्ट जनरेशन का किंग बनना है. सो सी, दिस इज द किंगडम ऑफ फुलिश. रिलीज द गुरु एंड डिस्टिंग्विश देमसेल्व्स एज द टू एंड एज अरेंज्ड बिफोरहैंड विद अ लॉयल सर्वेंट. वो जो गुरु है और उसका जो डिसाइपल है उसको रिलीज कर दिया. आपको जाना है तो कहीं पे, उनको कुछ भी नहीं बताया कि उनका प्लान क्या है. वो डायरेक्टली वहां पे पहुंच गए. कहाँ? प्रिजन में. ना एंड टेकन टू द स्टेक एंड प्रॉम्प्टली एग्जीक्यूटेड. वो वहां पे ऐसे मुंह बांध के वहां उनको लाया गया. इट मीन्स नो वन, राइट, नॉट अ सिंगल पर्सन हैड सीन हु इज दिस पर्सन at that night in the prison, and that executors has given him directly stake. एंड किसको फांसी मिल गई वहाँ पे? मिनिस्टर्स और किंग को वहाँ पे फांसी में, क्योंकि उन्होंने सामने जाके खड़े हो गए और वो जो एग्जीक्यूटर्स है उन्होंने उनको फांसी दे दी. देखो, so this is the foolish king, we can say. Foolish means foolish here over. Say, now what happened here in the last? When the bodies were taken down to thrown to the crows and the vultures, the people panicked. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and the minister. The city was in confusion. In the next morning, when the people, that person, the executors, just took out the bodies of that sick, जिसको फांसी मिली थी, जो मर गया था, उनकी bodies बाहर ला रहे थे, thrown out, and then what happened? Crows. It means people gathered them, and they become very shocked to see the dead bodies of the king and the ministers. See, and the city was in confusion. Now, what will be happen to this city? Right? So here, kingdom was become without king because king died over there. Right? So this is the foolish things which is really very hard for the king, because that foolishness give him death only. So how should we have? All night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. So the people of this kingdom were thinking about the future of this kingdom. What? That is, who will be next sovereign, we can say, who will be next king of this kingdom? They thought about it. Some people suddenly thought of the guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town unnoticed. Few people are there. They were thinking about who will be next king and minister. So one of the person over there from that crowd, he said that, and he thought about that guru and disciple. We have to, because they have given us very justice things over here, because we can say that this is the kingdom of foolish. This was now our kingdom should be changed over there. So one person was there. They just suggested to the people of this kingdom that why should we not take as a king or ministers to the disciple or his guru? We people need a king and ministers, right? हमें king और minister तो चाहिए ही. ऐसे kingdom थोड़ी चलेगा king और ministers के बिना kingdom नहीं. We are really very illiterate person, so we want king and ministers of this kingdom so they can take care about it. They begged the guru, said someone, others agreed. जो पर्सन था उन्होंने ये सजेशन रखा, सब उनके साथ अग्री हो गए, राइट? ऑल होल पर्सनालिटी. We can say they begged the guru and disciple to be their king and their minister. It did not take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Right? Persuade means what? किसी को realize करवाना, किसी को समझाना, right? So here, that person and the people of this kingdom directly went to the guru and the disciple, and they have given this suggestion to them: you will become the king and minister of this kingdom. And they begged. उन्होंने कहा, उनके पास ऐसे मांगा कि yes, तुम ही बन जाओ ये kingdom का king, right? And it did not take many arguments to persuade the disciple. Disciple was very happy because he liked this city, so they did not take much difficulty faced over there to just giving him and to convince them, because disciples were agree over it. But it took longer to persuade the guru, right? Disciple तो ऐसे ही agree हो गया, but guru वहाँ पे सोचने लगा, क्योंकि guru was really very smart and he know that about this city because he went over there, he visited all over the world. Finally, agreed to rule the kingdom of foolish king and the silly ministers on the condition that they could change all old laws. Whatever laws made by the king and the ministers, right? So he changed. Who? This was changed by Guru, because Guru became the king of this kingdom. And who will be minister? Minister should be, we can say, disciple, right? So here, students, we can thought about it, that we can think about it, that Guru and disciple just had changed all the of this kingdom. And how they have made in the last paragraph will see. From then on, night would again be night, and day would again be day, and you could get nothing more for a dudu. It become like any other place. So students, here Guru had made another rule over there, and that rule as we follow that, right? So what was the rule? Again, the people will work on the day and they will sleep over the night. So night will become the night, day will become the day. So students, here this rule again changed by the Guru and the disciple. And you could get nothing for a dudu. As we know that everything should be taken. They could buy everything from one dudu. But here, whatever things were there, जो भी चीज है उसकी जो कीमत है उसके हिसाब से ही उसको मिलेगी. Right? So here we can say this become the new law, right? So made by Guru. What was night will be night and day will again day. First rule. Second one, you could get nothing for a dudu. It become like a other place. Second. So it means that this kingdom become like the another kingdom. How the people are working over there. So students, here we have completed this lesson. And we can say this in the kingdom of foolish. So here we have seen this was the kingdom of foolish king and ministers. And finally at last what happened? It came on the hand of smarter and greater person, that is the Guru and the disciple. So students, here we have completed this lesson, and now the mid-term syllabus already given to you that from the Moments textbook, chapter number 1 to third chapter story of Swaran the storyteller, it is skipped, so it will not come in mid-term. Fourth chapter, that is the kingdom of foolish, right? Kingdom of fools, right? So this chapter will come in the mid-term. From the behind textbooks, we can say pre-mid-term syllabus will become over there. Then after last chapters we have completed that also, and 2 poem also will come. So students, here we have to complete whole syllabus of the mid-term. After in the next video, read this lesson properly, write every word which I will give in the next, it means in the solution. Copy all these words meaning in your notebook, and question answer afterward you will write about. So this is the Moments notebook. You have to write in Moments CW also. Now students, second thing it was, I have also included mid-term paper will same as your paper style. So reading, right, it is for 15 marks. Then second section B, it was the writings and grammar, so it is also for 15 marks with 5 marks writing. In writing, article, and second story writing will come. Omission addition for 5 marks, so please revise everything there. And still you have any confusion, you will ask me. In section C, literature portion, it is for 20 marks. So students, in that you will just see everything there. It means reference to context. It means one sentence from any lesson will be given there. Out of it, 4 questions should be asked to you. You will give its answer. Then 2 marks question, and last 2 questions would be 4 marks. So students, still you have any confusion, you will ask me. Afterward in the next video, I will explain the whole paper style and how should you people will write about it. Will explain it. Okay. So students, copy this question answer and what's meaning of this lesson. In the next video, we'll see next lesson. With a new idea, with a new things, with a new perception. So students, copy this everything in your notebook, complete your notebook, make your handwriting very good and very clean and neat, and you will copy everything. It means from the behind textbook, all the chapters, it means poems and lessons should be there. From the Moments textbook, Moments CW, you will copy these 4 chapters, right? First, Happy Prince also will come in midterm. Happy Prince, In the Kingdom of Fools, The Lost Child, and then second chapter also should be there. So students, please do these things here and complete your syllabus for the midterm. After still you have confusion, you can ask me by comment. Thank you and have a nice day.